smashed inlet series. That looks really good. That smashed inlet series looks amazing. Check, 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 check. Why bother to waste your time with inlet repair when you could just buy a compressor housing and wheel and upgrade your turbo? I'll show you a couple options, what you can do with the factory HX35 to fix a This one's a 62 millimeter. I also have a 6 and I have the matching wheel. 7. See, this one does not have the ears like the one I repaired, which is the main reason I repaired the other one. Otherwise, I could have just thrown that away. But the one that has the brackets here to mount the wastegate is for the 24 valve, which was like 99 or late 98 maybe, 99 to 2002. This compressor housing will fit that model, besides it just doesn't have that bracket for the wastegate actuator. So you could change to a different turbine housing, and then that has the wastegate mounted on it. Testing, and then you could use this compressor housing. When you go to do a turbo upgrade to the factory HX35, this dimension right here where the compressor wheel sits, this factory bearing housing needs to be machined bigger to accept this wheel. The 7-blade HX35 is 78 millimeter on the extruder here, and the upgraded wheels that we use are 86 millimeter at the smallest. So this would get machined 1.2 millimeter larger than the wheel. If you have the 8-blade HX35, that one, the extruder is 83, so it would be machined to 84.2 millimeter. If you have the 67 compressor wheel, that one, the extruder is 89 millimeter, so this area would get machined to 90.2. And if you buy a bearing housing from us, I go ahead and machine them for whatever wheel you're using. So if you leave a comment on the order of what wheel you need the bearing housing machined to, I'll machine it for you. You could just buy a complete turbo from us if you didn't want to deal with trying to build your own. I kind of rather do that, but I'll do whatever combination of whatever you guys want to do. If you're just trying to upgrade an HX35, in that case, then you should, the biggest compressor wheel I would recommend for that is a 60 millimeter. So you could do the 60 millimeter compressor wheel and housing, HX35 turbine, and if you wanted to make even more power with the stock turbine, is you could go with a bigger turbine. Here's a couple turbos I have built. these turbine housings we have are for the 12 valve, and they're already machined to 67 millimeters, so that's another product available too. See, we also have the new wastegate. I'll leave links down below in the description box of some of the products that we have to be able to upgrade your turbo and to fix